This is going to be my gaming room. We removed everything from this room. I hope so. Now, just removed all the stuff from here, the old table, the old chairs, even the cat house. Now we repainted the walls. They're quite white. Poor lamp is waiting for its turn. Yeah, one more lamp. Don't know for what, but I'm excited. I don't really know why we are doing this, but the idea of having your own space for playing games, for studying, for working, for spending time at home, I like this idea. And I really want to make it beautiful, but not sure how it works out for me. We'll try my best to do something nice here. It's great if I can do the time lapse with us refurnishing the space and showing the results in 5 minutes, but I want it in real time. Now it's just the table waiting outside and nothing at all. Okay, one thing was talking about having a time lapse in real life. Another thing was getting all these amazing gifts for my birthday. We did it! It's definitely not the final version because there's never going to be a final version in this. It's always a process, but da-da-da! I'm not sure if I love Jinx that much, but when I got all these amazing opportunities to put the wallpaper, I don't know, I was scared. I don't know what should I do, and I just chose these two pictures and they look pretty dope. I have this nice little cat and my lamp and everything is just so good. I even have my Batman with me. Yeah, the cat house had to be outside, but the cat is quite happy with where she is now. Yeah, she likes her new place, and sometimes they even fight with another cat for the house place. But this is completely another story. I'm not going to tell you right now all about it. Just look at my Batman. Then I have Baby Yoda. I think I stole it from someone, but they were not against it, so it's technically not really stealing, okay? I still have my Bugs Bunny and amazing gift from my friend. I'm going to play Cuphead, by the way. Probably I'm going to die in Cuphead plenty of times, but this is what I'm going to do in all the games. This is what I'm doing. Yeah. So I'm so excited. I want to leave here. I don't need any other space. Bye bye, real world. I have to close and forget about your existence. Probably the last thing I want you to see, guys, is the view from our window. Yeah, before I cover it all black so nothing bothers me and I can play all day long. I actually cannot because I still have to earn money, I have to go to work, I have to do stuff, but let me dream about it, okay? So, see you very soon. I hope you're going to follow my gamer career. So here it is. At night, it's even better than now. And this is me filming the end of this video for you guys. Subscribe. Leave your comment below. See you.